Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a text BITTVOX. Change this font, straight outline, select all and ungroup it. Select this portion and display this size. Select those portions and change the color. Now select all and group it. Select and go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.